Okay, I'm here at the Oliver. Gonna check this place out. I've been here before, but not since they finished the completion of the building. So this will be my first time here in a while. Here's a quick view of the exterior. So this is what you see right in front of the building. They're still doing construction here. There will be some restaurants, a convenience store, a Starbucks, and I'm not sure of what else, but it should be done in the next few months. Now we're walking into the building where my friends are waiting for me actually. And this is the lobby where they have 24-hour concierge services. And down the hallway, I love the way they decorated in here. Little bookshelf, and then we have one of our lounge areas. So all of the residents are welcome to come here. I believe you can also reserve this space if you want to rent it out. And they do provide coffee and other drinks right here. They have the syrups and flavors and everything too. And just a cute little seating area. We can lounge in front of the fireplace. Okay, so now we are going to go up the elevator. I think they have 3 elevators. And here is one of the conference rooms. So it has like a nice little aqua tent to it. And you can see the pool. Oh my gosh, the pool is really nice at night. So we are going to get a quick view of that pool also in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the fireplace. I had to come back here for an event. So I wanted to get some nighttime footage so you guys can see it's just like a nice calm, chill space out here. Got the jets going also. And coming back into the building, we are going to see the gym right now. So this is a fitness center. This is the first side where they have the weights. So there's a Smith machine, a leg extension, several pairs of weights. You have your ellipticals and treadmills, also a stair climber. And then we have our other room where there's cardio. So the bike room, and then you have a TV right there if you want to do your thing. Over here in the corner, they have a row machine. Here's one of the other lounge areas. Love these marble tables, so cute. And so this is the building? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then that's where the Starbucks is going to be, and so cool. The restaurants that they build out. Mm-hmm. Don't know which ones yet. Okay, so glad it's cool. Sam's. Okay, so this is the A4 floor plan. It's one of their mid-sized 1-bedroom apartments. What I love about this one is that you get so much storage. Look at all the cabinets. So if you don't like the green backsplash, they do have another color scheme. So odds and evens are different colors, but look at all the space you get on both sides. And what's interesting is you're gonna see, so this one has the gas range. On the other floor, some of them have gas, some of them have an electric cooktop that is unlike anything you've ever seen. It's in the center island, and we'll see that next. But they are doing some construction. So right now we're on the 4th floor. They're still building. So what you see right there is gonna be a Starbucks along with a few other shops, and then this area is gonna be a parking lot. So the building should be done spring of next year. This is the living area. And then of course you get floor to ceiling windows. You get a balcony. This is one of their corner units also. This room is humongous. So this is a king size bed. These are oversized nightstands and a pretty wide dresser. And you still have space in here for a chair or whatever else you want to put in here. It's really big. You could literally fit a couch in here also. This is a bathroom, also very large. If you don't want a tub and you love a shower, then this is the floor plan for you. Again, lots of cabinets. Ooh, and the soft clothes, love to see that. High quality. And then here is the walk-in closet. And a puppy. Aw. Okay, so next we're gonna see one of their other 1-bedrooms. Oh, and also, of course, you get a washer and dryer in every unit.
It's only making 18 an hour.
Oh my gosh, this is huge. Ooh, see, this is what I love. I love to see a shower and a bathtub separated, but right next to each other. Oh, I love that. I love that. The wet room. I need to change the battery on the smoke alarm. That's like one of my top pet peeves. But wow, this bathroom is huge. Huge. So this is the primary bedroom. So if you want floor to ceiling windows and a lot of space, you gotta opt for the 2-bedroom corner units. All right, now this is, little closet. Oh my gosh. How amazing is this? This is the view that everybody wants. All the windows, maybe not the view because you know they're doing construction, but it'll be super nice to have all this stuff built up when they're finished in a couple months. So if you want to be the first one to live here and use this gorgeous, oh wait, no, this one doesn't have the electric cooktop. It has gas. Yes, love it. All the cabinets. And then let's see bedroom number 2. Bathroom number 2. Washer and dryer are right here. This is the second bathroom, which has a shower, no tub. A lot of people love that these days. And then this is the bedroom. So it does face the building. But if you want that view, you gotta be in the other bedroom. And then this closet, look how deep this is. It goes all the way back there, so pretty spacious. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite unit in this property because just wait, it feels like such a home. Look how gorgeous this is. Okay, mind you, this is a king size bed, okay, and you can still fit all of this in here and you get a great view of the city. You see the traffic over there? It's so wide in here. So these are triple pane windows. And even with this being a king size bed, you can fit a couch in here, 2 nightstands easily, and then you come over here and you have this whole bookshelf. So this room is very, very spacious. Floor to ceiling windows. And then the bathroom, absolutely love this. 2 sinks, have your vanity set up right here. You can do your makeup in the center mirror because there are 1, 2, 3 mirrors here. Got your separate toilet, the bathroom, the wet bathroom with the shower and the bathtub, the wet room, we love this. Walk-in closet. And then you turn the corner, so it's literally like living in a home. You walk in, you have your foyer, closet right here. And then there's another bedroom, so you have your privacy. 1 person on one side of the apartment and another on this side. The only negative about this bedroom is that the view is not fantastic, but just wait until you see the living area. Now that is going to be a view. It's a nice long closet. Also, you get a walk-in shower in this bathroom. It's a great size also. Washer and dryer are gonna be right there. And check this out. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love this. Yes. So each floor is gonna alternate color schemes. This one is gonna be white with a green backsplash. Huge kitchen island here, enough space for 4 chairs. So much room in here. So this is their largest 2-bedroom unit. Love the way they designed this and furnished this. Okay, so the very last one we're seeing today is the studio. Oh my gosh, the fridge is huge. That's super rare to have the fridge be that large, especially in a studio. So it has the freezer drawer at the bottom, also has built-in storage, a large balcony that's facing the building, unfortunately, but you still get some natural light. And then we have our bathroom, and you still get a walk-in closet. So I love that about the studios and every single apartment in this building. So they're all gonna have walk-ins.